Hey guys, what's going on? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. Today we're going to be making Greek green beans, but if you want to be fancy, you can call it Fasolakia. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn on your Instant Pot. You're going to set it to saute. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and heat my Instant Pot before I add my oil. So let's let this heat up and we'll add some oil. The Instant Pot is hot, so we're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of grapeseed oil there. Now, I like to do this because by getting the Instant Pot hot first and then adding the oil, there's less chance of stickage. So now what we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in 1 diced onion. We're just going to saute these up until they get nice and softened. Not caramelized, softened. And we're going to use my handy dandy little spurtle here to stir these about. I'll leave a link in the description to this spurtle. I love this thing. So we're all softened up now. Go ahead and hit cancel on your Instant Pot. Throw in your garlic. That's about 6 cloves of garlic. And we're going to go ahead and just stir this around for about a minute. Nothing worse than burned garlic. That's why we turn this off. All right, now that we've deglazed, we're going to go in with about 1.5 pounds of green beans. And this is my little steamer basket here, made by Avocado. On top of that, add in about 1 pound of potatoes. These are just baby potatoes, but you could use about 3 Yukon Gold potatoes if you want. All right, on top of that, we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano or oregano. In here I have 1 bay leaf. I have 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And as always, guys, you may have to add more salt or pepper depending on your liking. All right, now that we got that in there, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give this a toss. All right, now we're gonna add 1 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes with the juice. And now I want to say this. I use San Marzano, and they're whole tomatoes, but I've just lightly crushed them up with my hand. And also, I'm just going to go ahead and add, I've just kind of rinsed this can out a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour that over. Now, don't worry about stirring this. We're just going to leave it just like that. All right, so now we're ready to get this party started, guys. We're going to put on our lid. We're going to set our Instant Pot to pressure cook setting. All right, and we're going to pressure this on high for 10 minutes. Then we're going to let it come down naturally for 5 minutes, and then we'll quick release. All right, guys, let's have a look-see. We've let it sit a minute just so we could cool off some of this steam. Looks on point. Okay, so now what we're going to do, guys, here is we're going to go ahead and plate this stuff up. But I do want to tell you this. Salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to taste it now. We're going to see if it needs a little bit of salt or pepper. And if so, I'll put that in there. But for now, it looks good. Let's go plate this up and give it a taste. All right, guys, let's give this a taste. Make sure we get some of this feta in here. That is fan-freaking-tastic. You could have this as a dinner. You could have it as a side. It's strictly up to you. If you guys like what you see, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends on social media. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. All right, guys, Fasolakia or Greek green beans in your Instant Pot. Do it.